What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Laxihub P2 security camera by Arenti. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. So let's get started. So let's begin by talking about price. Now, this camera goes for $35 on Amazon, but there's currently a 30% off coupon. And also, this is a wired camera. Now, this is advertised as a baby monitor / security camera, but really the main use for it can be anything you want as long as it's indoors, because it has to be wired and it's not waterproof. Now, when it comes to the camera and what you get, in the packaging, you have the camera, obviously. Then you have a set of screws because you can actually bolt it on your wall, whatever the case may be. You have this stand right here, so you can input the screws through here. And then at the bottom of the camera, you can put this and then twist it in, and pretty much it's ready to be set and secured wherever you're trying to secure it. You have your then micro USB cable for the charger, and you have the wall outlet for the charging cable. Next, you have the quick start guide right here. You also have the warranty information. And they also give you 2 Arenti stickers to say that your home or office is secured by Arenti. So that's pretty neat. When it comes to setup, it's pretty much very straightforward. You have to download the Arenti app, which is available on the Google Play Store and the App Store. And once you open it, it's going to ask you to make sure that your camera is blinking red, that means it's ready to start being connected and paired with the app. And you're just going to go through registering your internet connection with the camera, and you're going to begin to be able to use it from there. After setting up the camera with your Wi-Fi, it's going to pop up this barcode, and what you're going to do is place the barcode in front of the camera lens by about 5 to 8 inches. So I'm going to do that now, and once you do and it's successful in reading the barcode, you're going to hear a beep. Once you went through the entire installation process, you paired it with your network, everything is good, you're going to have a solid blue light on the camera, and you should get this screen saying that your device has been found on the app, and you're going to press done and you can go into the main menu settings. Now let's talk storage options, because you do have a couple. So you have the SD card option, which you can manually insert an SD card option right here. You also have cloud storage option. Now, Arenti uses Amazon's cloud services, so you don't have to worry about any privacy issues or anything like that. It's very much secure. And when you do purchase the camera and you register it with your device and the serial number is registered, you do get 90 days free to try out the iCloud service. Now, when it comes to recording, when you do press the record button, as I show you in the controls, you pretty much anything that you record is automatically uploaded to the cloud on the Arenti app, and automatically uploaded on the photo album app. So you do have it from both ends. Now, as you can tell, my camera is covered, but I did record some sample footage that I will show you in just a minute, but I did want to walk you through about how the application works in live view and what you can control. So right here you have your resolution that you can change. Now, obviously I have mine set at 1080p at 2 megapixels. And next you have here this setting. Now, with this setting, you can actually control the camera to go up, down, left, right, and I will also demonstrate that in just a minute as well. Next, you have this speaker with a line through it, so if you want, you can listen into the camera. And then right here you have this mic symbol, and what that means is that you can hold down this mic and you can talk through your phone, and your voice would be projected out from the camera, just like any other security camera. Next, you have this icon right here. Now, this pretty much takes a quick picture for you. So if you've seen something on the camera that you want to take a very quick picture of, just press on that and it will take a quick snapshot. And then finally, right here, you have this button. Now, this one would start recording the footage that you have, on the camera. Otherwise, if it's not recording, it is also watching out for alert for motion detection. So this camera does have motion detection and night vision as well. Let's now talk features. This camera offers 1080p full HD resolution. It also offers night vision, and the camera can rotate from left to right up to 355 degrees and up to 60 degrees vertically. So that's very impressive if you're trying to capture every angle of whatever area you're trying to look at, whether you have this camera placed in a baby room, like I'm going to show you with that example footage, or if you just have it anywhere. It's good to have a camera that's that can rotate up to 355 degrees just in case you want to get every angle covered. Next, this camera does have two-way audio, and it is compatible with Google Home and Amazon Alexa. Continuing with the features, this camera does also offer motion and noise detection. So again, this is a great feature if you're using this camera for a baby room. It can detect when your baby's crying, or if you have it out as just basic home security, it can detect when a door has been opened, and it can send you a notification right away on your phone. Finally, this camera uses Amazon's cloud services, and when you do register your new Arenti or camera device, you actually get up to 90 days free trial to use their cloud services. So that is very neat as well. Now, all the features I talked about can be adjusted in the settings menu on the application, which is very useful. Now, let me talk about my week with this camera and how it has been, and if I recommend it. Now, in the week I've been using it, the biggest issue I had was the user interface. The user interface seemed to lag at some points, especially when you're trying to move the camera up to the 355-degree angle. So I did notice a bit of a lag on the app's part, and when the camera is having a hard time responding, what it does is it turns around all the way. So what I mean by that, let's just say you're trying to move it 20 degrees to the right, it moves all the way to the right until it can't go anymore. So that's the one thing I noticed. It is a bit finicky, but if you're not going to be, moving the camera a lot, you're not going to be constantly in the app, constantly playing with the camera movements, it really shouldn't be an issue for you. I was just doing that for testing purposes, but I can't imagine the normal consumer would be constantly every few minutes in the app moving the camera, unless it's something very serious, and in that case, this camera might not be for you. This camera is really a budget-friendly version of the higher-end cameras that have the application and has the technology and infrastructure to deal with heavy abuse. But if you're in the market for a budget-friendly camera that's wired, it does the job, it's app-enabled, it's 1080p full HD, has night vision, motion detection, and sound detection, and it's Google Home and Alexa compatible, this is the camera for you. So this was my review on the Laxihub P2 security camera by Arenti. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.